What? What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So for today, mag-react tayo kay IEG. Ito yung isa sa most requested na performance galing kay IEG, yung I Who Have Nothing. Kasi daw, talagang pangmalakasan daw. And a lot of you guys have been requesting this na bigyan ko to ng reaction. So, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? For more videos such as this. Okay? So, let's go to the video. Woo! Suabe. Grabe yung voice control eh. Alam nyo, habang pinapanood ko siya, I just feel like she's already like a professional singer. Yung tindig niya, yung stage presence, yung the way she controls her voice, the way she maneuvers her voice, yung techniques, yung agility ng boses niya, very established eh. Makukuha niya talaga yung pansin mo. Ayun, no? What? The slide? Woo! Okay, so sorry if I have to pause. The way she performs, the way she sings, parang nakataya yung buhay niya sa performance na to. Like, she's doing everything perfectly and exactly how she wanted it to be. Woo! What? The modulation. I love that. Woo! Woo! Bro. Bro. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, di ba nasabi ko na to last time nung nag-react ako kay Marco Rudio siya at kay Judy Lu. Nakikita ko sa kanya, naririnig ko sa kanya isang Black American classic soul singer na gospel singer. Grabe! She's very talented, one of a kind. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga Filipinos ganito yung genre, ganito yung influence. May mga siguro konting-konti, no, but she's just a okay, ito kung tatanggalan mo siya ng nationality, hindi mo siya titingnan, no? Hindi mo alam sinong kumakanta, no? Like blind reaction talaga, no? Blind audition. No? Ganon. Parang The Voice, blind audition. The way she sings, the way she belts high notes, okay? You will never ever think na Pilipina to. I'm not saying na hindi magaling ang Pinaya. What I'm saying is the character of her voice, yung genre niya, it's very, very soul, Black American, classic gospel singer. Na versatile talaga from low notes, the control, the high notes. Perfect. Perfect. Grabe. Grabe. Kaya, sabi ko nga, di ba, ibang klase din si Marco Rubio kasi may natalo siyang mga ganitong dekalidad, no? Na singer. Marami, no? If si IG ang nanalo, I wouldn't complain. I wouldn't complain. Tingnan niyo kung gaano siya kagaling. Nakita natin, di ba? So anyway, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy that one. If may request kayo, mag-comment kayo sa baba. Okay? So peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.